Skill 7, expanding using the distributive law. The distributive law is where we have a number out the front of a set of brackets. That number out the front acts as a multiplication to whatever terms are inside the brackets. Some examples are over here on the right hand side, where we've got 2 out the front of p plus 5 and 3 out the front of x plus 2. What we're going to do is focus on the questions over here. Question 1a first. We've got 3 out the front of x plus 2. The example of this is over on the right, as we said before. So what we do is we draw 2 sets of arrows. We're going to do 3 times x, and we're going to do 3 times 2. 3 times x is 3x. Then we put the plus symbol in, and 3 times 2 is 6. So our final answer is simply 3x plus 6. And what we've done here, when we expand, we've gone from a question with brackets to an answer without brackets. That's what we're doing when we're expanding. We're getting rid of brackets. Question 2a. We've got x out the front of x plus 2. Draw the arrows. X times x is x squared. Remembering this is power of 1 and power of 1, and we add the powers. Put our plus symbol in, and then x times 2 is 2x. Our final answer, x squared plus 2x. And now we've got no more brackets, which is what we want. In question 3, there's one extra term. So we've got question A, there's 2, bracket, p take 3, plus 4 on the end. We do 2 times p, and we do 2 times negative 3. 2 times p is 2p. Then we put a minus sign in because there's a minus here. So we've got minus. And then 2 times 3 gives 6. Then we put the plus 4 on the end. At the moment, our answer is 2p plus 6, 2p subtract 6 plus 4. We can still collect some like terms. We can work out what's negative 6 plus 4. So let's leave 2p out the front, and negative 6 plus 4 is negative 2. So that's our final answer there. 2p subtract 2. In 3c, we've got negative 7 out the front of p plus 2, take away 3. Negative 7 times p and negative 7 times 2. Okay, we're going to have negative 7p when we multiply negative 7 and p. And then negative 7 times positive 2 is going to be negative 14, because a negative and a positive will multiply together to make a negative. So then we do 7 times 2 gives 14, and we know that it's negative 14. On the end, we subtract 3, and the same as last time with question A, we can work out this part here on the end. Use a calculator if you're not sure. So we'll have negative 7p out the front. Negative 14 take 3 is negative 17. That's our final answer. Here are some longer questions where there's more terms. So we've got 2 out the front of x plus 2y. And then we're adding 3 out the front of 2x, take y. So we draw our arrows in, and we've got 2x plus 4y plus 6x take 3y. Now we're looking for any like terms, so we need to collect the like terms. So first one is an x term, 2x, and there's another x term here, positive 6x. So 2x plus 6x is 8x, and then we're going to have positive 4y, take away 3y. So 4 take 3 gives 1, so we'll have plus 1y. The last step, remember we don't write the number 1, so our final answer is 8x plus y. That's our final answer. If we look over at 5a, we've got a out the front, b plus 2, plus b out the front, a take 3. Draw our arrows in so we know what we're multiplying. And then we start off, a times b is just ab, a times 2 is 2a, b times a is ba, b times negative 3 is negative 3b. Let's look for any like terms. So our first term is ab, and we've got a ba. Remembering, if letters are the same with the same powers, doesn't matter if they're in a different order, they're still like terms. So we can add AB with BA. They've both got an invisible 1 out the front, so 1 plus 1 is 2. So we're going to have 2AB. I'm going to write it as AB because alphabetical order is always best. Then we're going to have plus 2A. And then on the end, we'll have subtract 3b. So our final answer, 2ab plus 2a take 3b. We can't simplify that anymore because the letters aren't exactly the same in each term.